In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TCOUNT command in AutoCAD to automatically number a sequence of text. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing and managing numbered lists, dimensions, or any type of sequential labeling in your drawings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to streamline your text numbering process, saving you time and effort on your projects. To get started, the first thing you want to do is set up your text. The way you arrange your text initially can significantly impact how efficiently you can order them later on. Ensure that your text is laid out in a way that corresponds with the numbering order you have in mind. Once that's set, you'll be ready to start the automatic numbering process. Now, go ahead and type TCOUNT into the command line and press Enter. This command is the heart of today's tutorial, as it allows you to automate the numbering of text efficiently. After initiating TCOUNT, you will need to select all the text elements you wish to number automatically. It's important to select them in a way that reflects your desired numbering order, particularly if you plan to use the Select Order option later on. With all your text highlighted, press Enter to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted with a few options: X, Y, or Select Order. Each of these options determines the numeric order of your selected text in a specific way. If you choose X, AutoCAD numbers your text based on increasing X coordinate values. This is useful if your text is aligned horizontally. Choosing Y results in numbering by decreasing Y coordinate values, which is handy for vertically aligned text. Select Order, on the other hand, numbers the text in the exact order you selected them, offering you complete manual control. For our example today, we're going with X, so input X and hit Enter. Next, you'll be asked to specify the starting number and the increment in the format Start Increment. This is where you can decide if you want your numbers ascending or descending. AutoCAD supports negative increments if you want the numbers to decrease. Once you've decided, enter those values and press Enter once more. The final step is deciding how the numbering will affect your selected text. You have several options: overwrite, prefix, suffix, or find and replace. For this example, we're opting to overwrite the existing text with the numbers. And just like that, your text is automatically and efficiently numbered. It's a straightforward process once you understand the steps, and it can considerably speed up your work. So there you have it, a simple way to use the TCOUNT command in AutoCAD for automatic text numbering.